Post-construction termite treatment effectiveness is judged by careful, regular monitoring of bait acceptance in stations around the structure. Begin by establishing a baseline consumption rate immediately after bait placement and then record bait mass or volume weekly for the first month and monthly thereafter for at least 12 months. Use a simple scale or calibrated scoop to measure bait removed and log date, station identifier, and environmental conditions so patterns are interpretable. If you see consistent reduction in bait removed across multiple stations that previously showed activity that indicates colony suppression. So replace consumed bait with a maintenance matrix to keep pressure on residual workers. When bait is consumed rapidly at first, then tapers, continue servicing but avoid overfeeding, which can mask declining foraging. Instead, maintain scheduled checks and only refill to the marked service level. If stations show persistent refusal and remain untouched for 2 consecutive monitoring cycles, confirm termites are present with inspection or cellulose intercepts and consider escalating to a registered liquid treatment targeted at active zones. Keep notes on weather, landscaping changes, and construction gaps because these often shift foraging and can mimic treatment failure if unrecorded. 3 common problems are inconsistent measurement, misinterpreting normal decline as failure, and ignoring station hygiene. If measurements vary because different tools or staff are used, standardize a single method and train everyone to use the same scoop or scale and logging format. If bait removal declines and you assume eradication without cross-checking other indicators, verify with a targeted inspection and replace consumed bait with maintenance matrix instead of declaring success. If stations are contaminated with debris or mold that deters termites, remove the soiled material, disinfect the station per manufacturer guidance, and reintroduce fresh bait so acceptance can resume. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who work on termite and foundation issues and gives contractors a place to list services and find leads related to post-construction treatments. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share monitoring tips, service experiences, and local pest pressure observations.